Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor decor with a special focus on wind chimes. Specifically, we're looking at what many consider to be the best rustic wind chimes for outside spaces. I'm talking about the Nalulu rustic bamboo wind chimes. These chimes have been making waves for their craftsmanship and soothing tones. Stick around as we explore what makes these chimes a standout choice for your home or garden. First off, let's talk about the design. These wind chimes aren't just your average outdoor decor. They're handcrafted from bamboo with a unique floral burned design and topped off with a coconut crown. This not only gives them a rustic charm but also makes them a visual treat for any outdoor setting. Now, one of the most crucial aspects of any wind chime is the sound it produces. The Nalulu chimes deliver a deep, resonant tone that's incredibly calming. Whether you're relaxing on your patio, enjoying a quiet afternoon in the garden, or even setting a peaceful ambiance indoors, these chimes have got you covered. What sets these chimes apart is not just their sound, but also their durability. They're crafted with sustainability in mind, using bamboo, a renewable resource. Plus, they're waterproof, so you don't have to worry about the elements wearing them down over time. Speaking of durability, Nalulu has gone the extra mile with these chimes. They feature a stronger stainless steel hook, double coating of varnish for weather resistance, and a bigger clapperall designed to ensure these chimes stand the test of time. Now, let's talk about why these chimes make a great gift. Whether it's for a housewarming, a birthday, or even just to show someone you care, these wind chimes embody serenity and relaxation. They come beautifully packaged in Nalulu's signature green paper, making them ready to gift right out of the box. And hey, let's not forget the eco-friendly angle. Each Nalulu wind chime is sustainably grown and harvested, which means your purchase supports responsible environmental practices. Finally, let's address the value for money. At just under $25 for the small size, these chimes are competitively priced for their quality and craftsmanship. Plus, Nalulu offers a full refund within a year if you're not satisfied, a testament to their confidence in their product. So, whether you're looking to add a touch of tranquility to your garden, searching for the perfect gift, or simply intrigued by the idea of owning a piece of sustainable art, the Nalulu rustic bamboo wind chimes deserve a spot on your radar. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product critiques just like this one. Until next time, take care and enjoy the peaceful sounds of nature with Nalulu's bamboo wind chimes.